Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install apps from unknown sources on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So, we need developer options to be turned on. To do that, come over to Settings to your right, click on Settings, come down to My Fire TV, click on it, and then go down to About. Under About, you see Fire TV Stick 4K. Click on this 7 times, and this will make you a developer. So you see, they say no need, you're already a developer because I already have developer. I've already done it. So if I go back, I can find the developer options now and look at this option. It says apps from unknown sources. You want to click on this and make sure it is on. So they say turning on this setting enables you to install apps from unknown sources on your device. So if that setting is on, you could turn it off. I just make sure I turn it on and I'm out. Now you can download the app from any source. It could be an APK file you have on your device. It could be any unknown app or an app from any unknown source. If I head over to the file explorer, I think I have some APKs I could show you as a valid example. So just going over to apps, I'm going to the file explorer app. So it's loading my apps and games. I'm going to ES file explorer and then I'll go over to the app section. Or I could just use downloader. It just came to mind right now. I'm just looking for an APK file to show you as an example. And I remember in the previous video, I showed you the download application and I showed you that if you look files here, you see APK files. So these are APK files, like that's a VLC media player APK file. This 2BTB APK file. So if I click on an APK file like that, now I'm not really sure these files are good. I'll just scroll over to see. So I'm going to try this one at the top of the screen. This one that was downloaded on the 20th of February. This is 18 megabytes, 18.5 megabytes. It's an APK file, so if it's valid, it should work. Click on it once, and then click on install, and then you find the app installing. So this is possible. This is actually a third-party application. It's a B player app. While sideloading it per se, this is only possible because developer options are on, and the developer options allow us to install an app from unknown source. So there you have the app installed and verified. Now if that was useful, the video was insightful, like it, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.